Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch, and I am your host here, Sleepy Bull. And today we will be going over the total two and others crypto market cap. Excuse me. Now, the reason why I wanted to go over the two and others crypto market cap is just because the others and total two look strikingly similar, and they're both painting a very grim picture here from a wave theory perspective. I don't know how to say it, but it doesn't look good. Now, I could be totally wrong. Disclosure, this is not financial advice. None of these videos are. But they paint another drawdown of roughly 80%, as I've been saying in the past few videos. 89. Now, I could be totally wrong, you know. This bear market could be over. It could have been over a long time ago. But yeah, let's just jump into the waves and see what we got here, you know. So and mind you, this is not including Bitcoin. Excluding Bitcoin, we have wave 1, wave 2. That's self-explanatory. Wave 3, the longest of all waves. Wave 4, usually choppy sideways. Wave 5, self-explanatory. I took liberty to draw out here the trend extension tool just to show you all the measurement of wave 5. Usually wave 5 is the same length as wave 1, and so we see here that wave 1 top should have been here, but in actuality it went all the way up to or close to the 1272 extension of the trend. Let me just line it up for you guys nice and neat here. There's wave 5, and as you can see, it just misses the 1272 extension, trend extension. So that tells me that wave 5 met its target. And also the fib target for wave 5 is also met here with this 1618 extension of wave 4. Usually after wave 5, you see an ABC or WXY correction in 535 form or 333 form, or 335. It could be this correction here. This could be the 335 correction, and that's it. Bear market over. You know, but my concern with that has always been it's too short. It's too short. It's too short for this giant move up. Because this giant move consisted of 5 waves up, 3 waves down. You see these waves down are A, B, C, and then a 5th wave. So the corrective wave should be about as large as the impulsive wave. Mind you, this impulsive wave took 154 days, a heck of a ton days, 434 days, etc., etc. Oh, excuse me. Oh, 1 second here. I'm back. So, where I left off at was, normally, this takes a bit longer. You see how long this took? This is wave 4, and it took this long. So, wave 2, technically, this is wave 2 cycle degree. Yeah. This is a giant wave 1. That's a giant wave 2. Wave 3 is way up there. 4, 5, way up there. And I don't have these labeled correctly, but I guess I should be more diligent with how I'm labeling these, but you guys get the idea. Let me make it cycle. It's not a super cycle, it's a cycle. Okay. Make this primary. We'll go down the line. But you guys get the idea. Yeah, so as you can see, these corrections here are of intermediate wave. These are not primary corrections. These are intermediate corrections. That makes me think this is a primary wave, W, primary wave X, primary wave Y, all the way down for cycle degree 2. 3, 3, 3, or 3, 3, 5. That's just how it works. 5 wave impulsive move up, 3 wave corrective move down, in fashion of 3, 3, 3. Or 3 or 5, 3, 5 for ABC. And this is the 3 wave down. This is the 3 wave up. We've hit the ABC correction extension here. A, B, C as an X wave. C wave has a maximum of 1618. We'll see if it ends here. This trend should not continue. I already drew this trend, it's right here. I normally like to use the super trend here. We'll see if this reverses and remains course, but I've seen these things fake out. Yep. I would go short once you're below here. 186 billion. More confluence, inverted head and shoulders, hit its target. We're gonna likely reverse. More confluence. This is the, what do they call it? The fan method for determining downtrends. First trend line broken, second trend line broken, third trend line did not break. If we break it, we're officially in an uptrend. If we don't break it, we're still in a downtrend. Yeah. So that's the bear case, but it's hard not to see it just because, like I stated before, we hit wave 5 back in 2021. I would just be careful with my bags at this point. Everybody thinks we're going up. Everybody. Now, the one thing that I'm not certain about is, I could be wrong. We could just go straight to the moon. But it doesn't look likely. The one thing I'm not certain about is the total cryptocurrency market cap. We put in a wave 1 here. Mind you, this is heavily weighted on Bitcoin because dominance is crazy right now. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. We're on wave 3. We're going to 20 trillion. It's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already hit this mark. We're gonna hit this mark next, 6 trillion. But in any event, we could just do the law of alternation, where this and this are related by 618. Wave 1 and wave 4. Honestly, I should have done this here. That looks like a 5, but honestly, this could be the 5. Yeah. And it would meet the law of alternation sufficiently, or succinctly, however you want to take that word. But, yeah. As it stands, wave 2 and whatever this wave is, if you want to call it wave 4, are equal. And wave theory guideline states, usually waves 2 and 4 are not equal. You should not have your waves being equal. So that gives you more confluence for the drawdown. Again, this is the bear case. It could end up being equal. It happens sometimes. Most likely, if that's the case, your count's not right. You should make a count, have alternation, but yeah, it's not looking good, guys. So I've shown you total 2, others, total 3 is a little bit the charts are coming along. They're coming along. So Ethereum Classic, I don't think I covered this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 W X Y, $8. That's what we're waiting on. Stay safe, folks. Stay safe.